In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to click on the TikTok app. Click on the profile icon. Click on the top. You can see here your name, username. Click on that and see here add account. You can add any of the account or multiple accounts on TikTok by using your phone or email. It should be reminded that your phone or email should be right. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.